ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Quad Elite. And today we're going to go ahead and rip the RCs. It is somewhat later in the afternoon, so it's perfect time. It just rained the other night, so we won't have much dust at all. And today, guys, we're going to be ripping the good old Traxxas, brand new truck to the channel, somewhat brand new to the channel. We've done a couple modifications to it, like fixing the Traxxas shocks, because you know Traxxas doesn't have the greatest shocks. But other than that, guys, we're going to rip this Traxxas Rustler, and we're also going to rip, the girl holding the camera behind you is going to rip her Arrma Senton. It is a 1/10 scale Arrma Senton with a Spectrum 3-cell system in it. I will be running Traxxas's 3-cell system in here. She's going to be running a bashing battery. I will be running an eco battery. So we're going to go ahead and cut guys to the clip. Backwards donut. Alrighty guys, so that concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Obviously, the Traxxas is a little bit better than the Senton just because it is built differently and it wheelies. Why do you not want an RC car that doesn't wheelie? So, guys, please give this video a like if you guys enjoyed this video, and we will have more videos on the Traxxas as well. And also be prepared for the other Senton that I'm building, the 6-cell Senton. That's going to be out here in a couple of videos, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. And as always, guys, if you have not subscribed to Quad Elite, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that way we can get to 1,000 subscribers. Guys, we're pretty close. We're at 620 right now, so please make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can see more awesome videos like today's video as the Traxxas and the Senton. And you guys, we'll catch you on the next one.